What's happening, everybody? Shujat here from TechJockeyHD, and this here is your no-nonsense one-stop guide on completely understanding how you can change your iPhone ringtone to whatever music or music section you like. You don't need any laptop for this, and you do not need any third-party application or jailbreaking your phone for that. There is only one requirement, that is GarageBand, which is the Apple's own application, which is 100% free. You can simply look it up on the App Store. It'll also be linked in the video description. You can simply download it from there, and once downloaded, you can open it up. This is the first screen that you're going to see. You can simply tap on this plus icon, and here you have a bunch of these instruments that you can play on this application. We're simply going to go for the audio recorder section of the application. Don't worry about the layout too much. It's very simple steps that we need to do, so just follow along with the video and you'll be done in no time. First thing you want to do is uncheck this triangle right here because it's going to add weird sounds to your recording. Second step is go into YouTube application and select the music that you want to download. I'm just going to select the audio library music video for the sake of this video, just so it does not give us any copyright on this video. So I'm going to go into share option and simply copy the link of the video. Now I'm going to go into Safari and simply search and select any of the YouTube to MP3 downloader website. And here I'm simply going to paste the link of the video and download the MP3 file, which is going to be downloaded right here into my downloads. We can look up the exact location of this downloaded file, which is the download folder in our phone, and the file is right here. Now that we know where the file is located, we can simply go back to the GarageBand application, and here we're simply going to double check and make sure that this triangle is turned off, and then tap on this icon right here in the center of these two icons. This will turn into the mic option where you can simply record your voice and make that as a section of your ringtone, or this is also going to allow you to press on this plus icon right here and add any of the songs that you have downloaded onto your phone. This is an optional step where bars option suggests the actual seconds, so 8 bars would be 8 seconds. The maximum number that you can have for a ringtone is 30, so for the sake of this video we're just gonna have 10. We can also have an automatic section here turned on just in case you want GarageBand to take care of the actual length based off of whatever song that you import. Just double check that the actual length of this timeline is set to be 10 seconds now. After doing that, just tap on this loop icon, and here you would get the option of files. You should be able to see all of the MP3 files here. If not, then you can simply browse the items from the files application. You have to make sure that you remember the location of your file. Our file is not actually located in the downloads section of the iCloud drive. Instead, it's actually in the downloads folder of the phone itself. We simply go into the downloads folder here and select the file that we downloaded. It'll take a second to import that. Now you can simply select and drag and drop it onto our timeline. Now we have to find the actual section of the song that we want to keep as the ringtone. From here, you can simply hold onto one corner of the song and select wherever you want the ringtone to start. Once you have found the start point of your ringtone, you can let it go, then tap and drag it back to the beginning. Now your ringtone would start from here and keep going until the time is run out. If you notice that it's less than 10 seconds, you can hold and drag this end and make it as big as you want. Once you're satisfied with your selection and this is exactly what you want as your ringtone, you can tap on this arrow and tap on My Songs here. This will take you back to the Files section. Simply tap on Recents, and now you would see your ringtone right here. You can simply tap and hold on to it, and here make sure that you rename it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it Test Video and tap Done here. And now I'm going to tap and hold on to it again. And this time I'm going to select Share and go and tap on Ringtone. Just double check the name is right and export it right here. And it's going to get exported in a couple of seconds as ringtone, depending on how long your ringtone is. You can either select OK here or use Sound As. I'll show you both of these options. If you want to use this as your ringtone right now, you can simply select on Use Sound As. And it's going to give you an option to select as a standard ringtone or your text tone or assign it to a certain contact. I'm just going to use it as a standard ringtone. On the other hand, if you press OK at that time, now this is where you can change your ringtone in your settings. Simply go into your settings and simply search for ringtone at the top here. And here you would see the option of test video. That's the ringtone that we just exported. and now that is selected as our ringtone of the actual phone. On the other side, we can select here or select this one. Alright, hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.